Parrot's training videos for the ANAFI USA. In this video, we'll walk through the security activation for the features on board the ANAFI USA Gov and the ANAFI USA SE. This is a one-time process that only needs to happen on the original powering of the drone. On board each of these systems is an SD card. This SD card contains a security certificate that will teach you how to install. Let's begin.
First, let's remove the SD card located under the aircraft's battery. Now insert the SD card into a computer so we can place the correct file on the root directory. Once the SD card is opened on the computer, we'll want to make sure the right certificate is on the root of the directory. Open the certificates folder, then the FCC folder. Now we'll want to copy and paste this certificate to the root of the directory. We can do so now. Doing so will replace the file that is already at the root of the directory. This is exactly what we want to do.
As we stated before, this process only needs to happen one time. However, if for some reason the drone is reset, we'll need to reinstall the certificate. To do so, we'll need to have the certificate ready. That's why Parrot recommends creating a copy of the certificate on your desktop, syncing it to a thumb drive, or keeping the SD card in a secure place.
Now that we have the correct file on the root of the SD card, place it back in the aircraft and power it on. Once the aircraft reboots, the process will be complete.
Let's check and make sure this process worked. To do so, power on your Sky controller and open FLYMOTION 6.
The first tell in FLYMOTION 6 will be a blue fly button at the bottom of the home screen. Next, navigate to the aircraft status page in FLYMOTION 6. Under your certificate, you will see 0x7FEB if you have successfully installed the FCC certificate. We can also confirm this work by checking the network page. Under Wi-Fi band, we will be able to see the additional presence of channels 36, 40, 44, and 48 if we are in FCC mode. Now that the security features have been activated, you no longer need to keep this SD card inserted in your drone. Remove and place your own SD card in the aircraft.
The security feature should now be activated on your system. Thanks for tuning in to Parrot's training videos for the ANAFI USA.